Good afternoon, one and all. Today we are going to study about memory management that is being done by the operating system. So before going into the topic, let us first understand what is an operating system. Operating system is nothing but an intermediary between the user and the computer, or it is an acting as an between the user and the computer. It's going to control all the hardwares. So operating system is going to deal with many of the functions in which memory management is the biggest task. So before entering into the memory management, let us understand what is a program and what is a process. When the program is nothing but a set of instructions that is being ready for execution. When the program is being executed, then it is said to be a process. So suppose there are two processes waiting in the system. So if two processes, namely P1 and P2. Firstly, the process P1 is arriving into the system, the CPU is being allotted to the system, execution is going to take place. If P1 needs the help of another resource, say example printer or say any other resource, if that printer is busy, the process P1 have to wait. So at this time, that process P1 is not utilizing the CPU. CPU is in the idle state. So another process is also wasting the time waiting in the queue. So now what is the technique we are going to do is swapping. That is the process P1 that is being executed is moved to the hard disk. Before understanding this swapping technique, first of all I wanted to tell that when the process is being executed, it should be executed within the physical memory or the main memory. That is nothing but the RAM. Anything that need to be executed should be present in the RAM. This waiting process P1 is in the RAM. We have to move it, take away the P1 from the main memory. So now the P1 is taking all its files and storing into the hard disk. Now the process P2 is given the chance to enter into the main memory and start its execution. Once the process P2 is completed with execution, the process P1 from the secondary storage can be brought into the physical memory. This is one of the technique called as a swapping of memory management. The second one is paging. So to understand paging, first you need to understand two concepts, logical address and physical address. The logical address is nothing but the address that is being generated by the CPU. It is a view how the user is going to see. Physical address is nothing but the real address that is present, that is within the physical memory. So whenever the program needs to be executed, the logical address should be converted into the physical address. In order to convert the logical address into physical address, you require the help of some hardware called as an MMU, Memory Management Unit. So this paging concept, the user view is divided into equal size memory called as pages, and the physical memory is divided into equal size memory called as frames. Page number and frame number. When some process need to be executed, that page number will be produced, that page number will be converted to frame number with the help of a page table. So hope you all understood. To conclude, the memory management is one of the function of operating system. In order to manage the memory, OS is going to use certain techniques, out of which swapping is one of the technique, and next one is paging. Thank you.